Hey, welcome to our booth at Med.Logistica. I'm going to demonstrate to you now our full cycle solution, starting with the dispensing. I select the item in the size I want, and after a couple of seconds I can collect the item. Then, after a busy day, I return the item in our return unit, the R210. All these transactions, the dispensing and the return, will be registered in our Polytex Manager Software 8, the PM8, which is at the end the full cycle solution of Polytex. For more information, go on polytextechnologies.com. Thank you very much.